saw a bird today. Just thought I'd let you know. His chest was bleeding through the navy blue sky, but there it sang a song so sweet. I thought of you and life seemed incomplete. The wind carried the words like unfinished prayers past empty churches and rusting swings. Funny how the world keeps turning when the heart forgets how to care. Maybe we don't break, maybe we just fade like the color from a photograph left out in the rain. If love is only borrowed and morning always takes it back, still I leave the porch light burning in case you ever wonder back. I passed the corner where we laughed. The pavement still remembers us. The coffee shop closed early now, or maybe I just noticed because you aren't there to point out little things. The crooked on the crack sign, no silence where's your old cologne, and someone calls it mine. I don't need another reason, I don't need someone to blame. The mountain gods and cursed river for never staying the same. So if it never escapes my mind, it isn't asking you to stay. It's only proof that some old stories take a lifetime to put away. Maybe we don't lose, maybe we just change, like the seasons learning slowly how to carry different days. And if I see that word again against another evening's blue, I think it fond and heavily, the one that still reminds me of you. I saw a bird today. Just thought I'd let you know it disappeared beyond the fading light, still singing like it always knew. Some songs don't end, they simply finish you. I saw a bird again. I saw I saw a bird today. I saw a bird today. I saw that. I saw saw a bird. I saw a bird today. I saw a bird today. I saw a bird.